I'm in Ajax. I'm coming to get this food. You want chicken ball? At this place, I love this place. When I used to go to school here, I used to eat here anytime I came to the friggin' Go Station. Hi. Yeah. I always order. Where's the lunch menu? Lunch menu. Oh my god.
Hi.
Hi. Can I get the General Tao lunch special?
Vegetable fried rice with genital chicken? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And 2 chicken balls.
2 other chicken ball? Or 2 vegetable?
2 chicken balls.
2 pieces chicken ball?
Yeah. Don't sound like that, right?
Shannon, can you just be normal? They have chicken balls.
I want the.
You can get fried rice and chicken balls.
I want fried rice, chicken General Tao, and chicken balls. How's that gonna work?
Your chest is always so high for your rats. That's good.
$1.50 more. It's okay?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Anything else?
No.
Okay,
What's up,
16.
Mr. Shit?
16.
You're here for my lunch, sister.
Come with the purple spring roll. What do you like?
What'd you say?
You want Pop or spring roll?
Oh, spring roll. Yeah.
Pop.
When you hear spring roll, you buy Pop. Pussy lip, burp, burp, burp. Pussy lip, burp, pussy lip, burp, burp, burp. Pussy lip, burp. You're so stupid. Burp, pussy lip, burp, pussy lip.
Traffic tickets. Call the cops. What? What? What does COPS stand for? The cops is the money that gave it to me, motherfucker.
It is, I don't know, there's not even no abbreviations
Yo,
for it.
motherfucker. I fucked your bitch, motherfucker.
Yeah, fuck you.
First off, fuck your bitch and I think you said,
Bye, Shane.
for life. Thank you.
Well, thank you.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
We got our food.
And I need more food, dog.
Can you open this pussy bumbleclat door? You never opened it.
I'm great. No. Get the chicken
Wait till we get home.
No.
When my homies pull up on your block, they make that thing go grata-ta-ta. Switch my whip, came back in black, I'm starting saying recipes about.
Okay, so right now we're at Carnival Nationz headquarters, getting our costumes. She's hiding, eating licorice. We're gonna put the deposit on our costume. It's kind of late. It's like 11 o'clock, 10:30. Hi. Hello. Okay, so right now we're picking our costumes. This is the costume we're picking. Team over here we're picking. But these are the rest of the costumes.
Yeah.
Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Don't be camera shy, you nerd.
No, like.
I like this one because of the bodysuits.
Oh, she wrote it.
What's your phone number?
I want to see that costume.
That's the Justice.
Majestic.
Yo, they
That's
literally,
just like
they
Justice.
literally ripped off Bacchanal.
Yeah, they just chose. Yeah.
I wish the green was darker.
I wish it was more.
Yeah. It's not cute.
No, chicken bird, like, put it down.
It's kind of cute still.
That is kind of cute. Oh, and I like this.
It's mesh here.
Yeah, this is cute.
Yeah, it's
Good. That's the cluck cluck telling you to put it down. Wait, I don't get it. Do they get this with it? Do they get this? Do they get this dollar store chain with it? Oh, that's cuter. But I don't like the feathers. Like, if I was getting this, I would get just the bathing suit with this. This girl's already getting into her groove. Nah, this is cute. This is the cutest. Yeah.
Or the ultra fun line. But then they just have it. Are we supposed to go to a computer?
I think she's still inputting it.
Oh, okay. I was going to wear this.
I like this high waisted.
I was going to wear this.
This is cute.
Wire
But this looks, why your brows look like them earthing. And the way you want to walk and jump on. That is big. I know that's heavy. It has to be. All the kitty care bunny.
See, do you so nice?
This is what we are doing. So we're taking this. I'm putting it with this minus that. And adding a visor. So the visor, instead of the tiara, with the back-a-backs, the bat, and that. It's all in one.
You want to see it?
Yes.
Do you want to see? Look, it doesn't cover your bum.
I'm talking about the one piece.
The one piece covers.
It's not covering nothing. No.
Why did you
Boy, batty outside door and all type of things.
Purchase your track now.
Here by me. I did a coloring tutorial for you guys for this. It's gonna be on the tube. Hot girl in there. So you guys excited? I'm gonna have a full Caribana experience video for you guys. Okay? I didn't get to play for Bacchanal, but I'm gonna be carrying on bad for Carnival.